What's up, guys? Welcome to HBG. Today we're talking about something that can take your cozy game to the next level, fireplaces. Whether you're all about the ambiance or that extra warmth, I've got you covered with the top 12 fireplaces on the market right now. Let's kick things off with number 12. Transform your space into a cozy sanctuary with the Napoleon Element self-trimming built-in electric fireplace. Although it provides a cozy ambience with lifelike flames and flexible installation options, its 10,000 BTU output makes it better suited for smaller rooms compared to the higher BTU options. Next up, we have the Napoleon Entice wall-hanging electric fireplace. This wall-hanging electric fireplace offers customizable settings with a sleek, modern design. It provides 5,000 BTUs of warmth, making it more of an aesthetic centerpiece than a primary heat source. Coming in at number 10, we've got the Napoleon Ascent 36 fireplace. Compact yet powerful, this fireplace is perfect for corner installations. With 18,000 BTUs of warmth and realistic log sets, it's practical for smaller spaces or renovations. For number 9, meet the Napoleon Arlington 20 cast iron, direct vent metallic black natural gas stove. Ideal for smaller spaces, this stove offers 20,000 BTUs of heat with a timeless cast iron design. Its efficient heating and lifelike flames add charm to any room. Now let's talk about the Napoleon Ascent 42 fireplace at number 8. Offering up to 22,000 BTUs, this fireplace delivers warmth and beauty. The phaser log set, glowing ember bed, and reflective panels make it visually striking while providing efficient heating. Number 7 is all about style and performance. Napoleon Ascent Linear Premium Direct Vent 42 Natural Gas Fireplace with Bluetooth features. This fireplace combines modern design with up to 22,000 BTUs of heat, customizable options, and Bluetooth control via the eFire mobile app, making it both stylish and user-friendly. At number 6, we have the Napoleon Ascent 46 Direct Vent Millivolt Ignition Natural Gas Fireplace. With 22,000 BTUs of heat, a customizable look, and a shallow depth, this fireplace is versatile for various home designs. Its millivolt ignition ensures reliable operation even during power outages. Number 5, we've got the Napoleon Clearion Elite See-Through True Zone Heating Built-In Electric Fireplace. This innovative see-through electric fireplace warms 2 rooms with independent heat controls. It offers unique customization options like crystal media or logs, enhancing its visual appeal and functionality. All right, coming in hot at number 4 is the Napoleon Ascent 42 Direct Vent Electronic Ignition Natural Gas Fireplace with Backup Control System. With up to 30,000 BTUs of heat and customizable natural elements, this fireplace offers great heat output and traditional charm with modern convenience, making it a stunning centerpiece. Number 3, the Napoleon Ascent Multi-View See-Through Glass Ember Bed Direct Vent Natural Gas. The see-through design creates a captivating focal point, allowing you to enjoy the fire from different angles. With 30,000 BTUs, this fireplace combines modern style and advanced functionality. At number 2, we have the Napoleon Oakville X3 X4 Direct Vent Electronic Ignition Natural Gas Fireplace Insert. With 30,000 to 40,000 BTUs of heat and a mesmerizing triple flame pattern, this fireplace insert offers powerful heating and visual impact. The night light and independent flame control are unique features, making it both luxurious and efficient. Finally, our top pick for the best fireplace is, drumroll please, the Napoleon Tall Linear Vector Natural Gas Fireplace. This fireplace offers a perfect balance of style and function. Its large viewing area, tall flames, customizable settings, and advanced heat management make it ideal for both residential and commercial spaces. The eFire mobile app and energy efficiency add to its practicality. All right, guys, that wraps up our top 12 fireplaces. I hope you found this helpful if you're on the hunt for that perfect addition to your home. Shop at homebuygratuity.com for guaranteed low prices, tax-free, free shipping, and the best deals around. Email us at hello@homebuygratuity.com or call 1-888-966-01 for free lifetime customer support and a full manufacturer warranty. Our support team is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Experience the HBG difference. Click the link in the description below to find the perfect addition to your home.